Okay, let's do a high-res scan of a piece of student artwork. So I'm going to press the scan button, hit scan to email, tell it OK, and now I'm going to hit scan settings. Brings up this window right here, and what I want to do to get the highest quality setting is to go to standard, and I'm going to change it up to 1 or 2 darknesses above the neutral. So I'm going to go with 1 today. Tell it OK. I'm going to go over here and click on this area, and this is important. I want to change black to full color, and if you've got an odd size, you'll probably have to tell it what size you want to scan. So I'm going to tell it that I want to change it to inches, and I'm going to go with 11 by 17. And then finally, you want to change your resolution. The default is 200. If you want to get a good scan, I'm going to go with 300 or 400. 300 is my default. Tell it OK. Put the artwork on the scanner bed, face down, and tell it to start. It's really fast. There are quite a few steps involved, but after you've done it a couple of times, it just kind of becomes old hat. This will send it directly to your email, and if you need to make any type of changes, you can open it up in Photoshop and crop it or adjust the color if you need to, but the scan quality is as good or better than the bed scanners that we've got on some of our desktops.